Hey, what's up everyone? I finally have another unboxing video for you. As you can see, I have unboxed other stuff since last time. Right now I'm a bit sick, so I'm just gonna try and get over with it. I'm sorry, I was planning a quite cool video, but you know, life happens. So let's just get this out of the way. This is the Trifoom cube stand. It's really cool. I got this from my mother this Christmas. I was really surprised because I didn't think she was I didn't get any Cuban related stuff this Christmas except this. It's really cool. Hang on. Okay, so this is my biggest unboxing ever. I think this was about $200+ for everything, including shipping. But you know, Black Friday happened. So it's been a long time coming. I forgot to choose fast shipping, so okay. So what I first noticed is actually another one of this. I need to go over and check my order because I don't remember ordering this, but I must have, because I didn't notice this up on the page when I was shopping the Black Friday sale. So I just saw, and then just after I saw the video on the Cubicles video on TikTok, so I just decided to get one. So maybe I bought two for some reason. Let me check that out. Okay, so wow, we got a lot of different stuff here. Okay, let's see. So this is the timer, the G5 stack timer, G5 Pro timer. Okay. So I have only seen this online, and I've seen someone criticizing it because they didn't like the design. I think I'll need to try this before I make any comments, but I really like it so far. And it comes with a little pamphlet, information on how to reset, to start and stop, and to change modes, etc. Okay, so this is the Black Friday special dark mode cubicle sticker. And here we have DNM37. It's a really small, really tiny bottle. I haven't seen that one before. Okay, so let's see what's inside this. Oh, I'm gonna wait for this one. I'm gonna wait. Sit this one out for a bit. Let's just see this one. Ah, yes! I forgot I ordered another metallic 3x3. This is, I think it's really beautiful. I've been making some really great pictures with my first one, and I can't seem to open it. I don't remember how. Maybe that's the puzzle itself. Look how shiny that is. My first one has got a couple of scratches, and some of my lube actually leaked into my cube bag, so it's got, I don't know what type of lube, but it's really sticky and dry, and I should have cleaned it. But I also decided to get another one, so maybe I can get some twin shots. Okay, let's get these out of the way and see. Oh yeah, of course. This is the 2x2 version. So I'm assuming it's basically the same, just 2x2. Let's see if I can get it open. Why was this so much easier on a 3x3? You can see that the stickers are locking it here, I think. Let me just get this. So maybe this is the puzzle itself, how to open it. Shoot, why not? Why won't you open? There we go. Just need a little persuasion. And scissors. So we got both the 2 and the 3. Wow, that's kind of sick. It's really cool. Let me just get some of this stuff away. Let me just test this. It's not as stable as I would hope to, but it's surprisingly fast. But you know, sorry, as I'm saying, I'm sick. I'm sick. It's kind of hard to distinguish between the colors, especially when you're solving, like the orange and the yellow or gold kind of blend together. So this is the really cool dark mode mini map. So might end up use this as backdrop for other videos later. And I also got a speed stacks mat. I only have the mini version, so this is quite longer. Just what she proclaimed. Cool. Just make sure the timer fits. The last time I bought a timer, it didn't fit the mat. And it fits. There. Almost. Cool. And I also got the banana cube. This was part of the Black Friday deal, so when you bought stuff when you reached a certain amount, you would get some free stuff with you as well. Among them with this banana cube. Banana cube. Anyone know the song Banana Phone? Okay, so this is gonna mess me up real bad. I'm not very good. Wow, that was really cool. I'm not very good at shape mods, so this is gonna be interesting. And I also have here the Speed Stacks bag. Maybe I can write a name as well. Where I can fit my mat and timers. Oh yeah. This is the world's hardest puzzle ever. I finally have it. It is a 1x1. I have no idea how to solve it. Literally impossible. Oh yeah, this is, I forgot about this. This is the Whalon Scube. I haven't solved the Scube in ages. I only know the beginner's method, so I won't be competing anytime soon. It's surprisingly slippery on the outside. I feel like, yeah, you gotta have a kind of decent grip for it not to slip while you're solving it. See, most of this is just me trying to see how bad I can slip. Huh. Kinda cool. Okay, so let's just dig further deep into this box here. So this is actually yet another Tornado V3. But this is the regular version, or the standard, as it says in the box. So I have tried the flagship and maglev, and I'm not too sure about these, none of them. I need to try more different versions, and need to try with a different setup and different lube. This one does not have core magnets. It's just a regular Tornado V3. As you may see, no corner magnets there. It's surprisingly still it's surprisingly good, I think. I've been really favoring the corner magnets part cubes. Ever since I got the Tornado V2, the corner magnets version, CH version from Thecubicle. So it's gonna be interesting to see if this might change something. I'm looking forward to see. So this, I assume, is okay, so this is a Tornado V3, an Angstrom version, and I think this might be a placement cube. No, this is the Angstrom version. See, I was never mind. Let me just try to solve this. So it is quite thicker and harder, this leaf. It's really buttery. It's a bit too hard for me. Let me see what setting it's on. Yeah, so it's on 3 and 3. Yeah. So far I prefer 1 and 1 on the Tornado V3s. Okay. Last few items here. This is the most important. Sorry, just headshot. So I assume this is the 2x2. The Angstrom. Let's see what we see. Angstrom RS2M Evolution. 2x2. I think this is the first time I try an Angstrom puzzle or cube. I haven't tried that yet. I didn't know. This letter is called an Å in Norwegian. So it's actually Ångström. I think he was Swedish, so it's Ångström. With an Å. What? I'm not sure about this. It's indeed faster than the 2x2 I currently use, but it feels really weird in my hands. And yes, of course, there's some factory lube or something, but it kind of feels like the edges here, they're stubborn. I need to use it more and get back to you later. So this is the final, the Super RS3M with a ball core. So, what do you think that sounds like? Is it broken, or is it just some accessories I don't know of? Okay, let's see. Okay, there are at least some accessories here, so fingers crossed it's only the accessories that'll rattle. Good news, it's the accessory box rattling, not the cube itself. Now that's actually very interesting. The RS3, the Super RS3M. Huh. This is a very weird feeling. I didn't take much liking to the other RS3M, but so far this is really impressing me. It's really fast. So it's my kitty cat. So I might need to get used to it. Just gotta open it just to see that ball. You know what? It's really hard, so I won't open it just in case it breaks, because I've heard of cases where the core breaks. And I got a ton of cubes. So just look at the receipt. To reiterate, I got the Speed Stacks gear bag, the Speed Stack Gen 5 mat, Stack Mat Top Pro Timer Gen 5, the Thecubicle Mini Mat Dark Mode, Thecubicle collectible sticker, DNM 37, X-Men Tornado V3 standard. Yeah. Moyo Super RS3M, Cyclone Boys Metallic 2, Cyclone Boys Metallic 3, Angstrom RS2M Evolution, Angstrom Tornado V3 Flagship, Moyo Whalung's Cube, Fangshin Banana, 1x1 cube. And at the bottom it says that the Lefan balancing spinning cube stand as well. Well, I guess that's it. Thank you. See ya. Bye.